My name's Mike Arcadi. I'm one of the owners and directors of Express Sheetmetals. We're a sheet metal fabrication company based in Auckland, New Zealand. About 10 years ago we were sitting with a turnover of $1 million, about 10 staff on the shop floor, and our growth in the business was pretty stagnant. Our sales, our productivity was not moving. And our quotes, we were probably winning about maybe 1 out of every 4 quotes. We were very inaccurate, unable to get some accurate times and a realisation of what jobs cost.
But your labour times and your labour costs was 25% too high. That was the main driver of losing quotes.
Yes, obviously we had to quote jobs very high.
So you're compensating for your men working slowly at that time?
Yes, and we had to make a decision to change things. In 2010 we decided to put some PCs down on our factory floor, and we installed Empower timing software on them. This allowed us to track productivity, which increased our business growth drastically. Our job times came down by 25% minimum very quickly.
So it'd be fair to say that when you got them on site and shared the budgeted times accurately with them, and they saw their own performance and they were directly engaged in seeing their performance, the culture changed, their focus changed, and you've now got a team that's highly productive in 3 ways. 1, staff manage their own times quickly. 2, I know here that factory staff hunt each other up because they can see on the big screen if guys are working slowly. And thirdly, management here, be it leading hands or foremen or yourselves as owners, are keeping an eye on staff to push production and productivity along.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So massive culture change. You had none of that 10 years ago.
Definitely, and for the staff to be able to see how their productivity is on a daily basis just drives them to do better and to beat each other as well as keep the bosses happy.
Yeah.
So that's always a positive influence, and the staff, it's positive with the staff, it's not a negative thing. They step up. We have now 2 factories over the North and South Island. We employ close on 200 staff, and we've grown substantially. We've grown substantially over that time, and Empower has been a key factor in that.
Ballpark revenue, what are you doing turnover at the moment?
Our turnover ballpark is between 15 to 20 million. It has got a little bit higher and a little bit lower, but steady is 15 to 20 million.
Okay, what about, is there still substantial growth in the business?
There is growth possible in the business, but we are comfortable at holding around about that mark. We're getting to a point where we're comfortable in the business now. We don't want to keep going up and up. I'm very happy with Empower, and it has been a key point in our growth over the years. I would not give it up for anything. Without that, we couldn't have had the control and the data that we get back from the reporting, from the work in progress, the lead times, and it has basically just been a positive influence in our ability to give accurate quotes on the job times that Empower collects for us. Has been fantastic.
Yeah, thank you, Michael.